to my Morning Report chart analysis videos on Friday the 30th of September with me, Richard Perry-Market Analyst at Handset Markets. We're going to look at dollar yen now. And we've had this sort of minor recovery in dollar yen, but we're still hitting that downtrend, that primary downtrend. A little bit of a disappointing candle, I think you'll agree. Yesterday we had the initial gains up to 101.85, but then that dropped away back below that sort of near-term pivot line, and only posted a sort of slightly positive candle on the day. But you look at these momentum indicators, you'd still say they're relatively positive, aren't they, with the stochastics close to confirming a buy signal, the RSI picking up. And I think that generally speaking, we're still hitting that floor and using that as support around 100 big figure, and the market is sort of not all that intent on sort of breaking below it quite yet. Today's move has been actually positive, I think, from the dollar. Initially, out on the back of the Deutsche Bank sort of market hit, I think you saw the yen strengthening, but again that sort of turned around and that's back above 101 big figure. I think that's a relatively positive outcome, because I think obviously this is quite a big fearful sort of move from the market today from the Deutsche Bank news, but still recovering again, just bounced in the last sort of hour or so back from what the 100s, 75 area. So I think that's relatively positive still, and you sort of look at these momentum indicators on the hourly chart, the RSI staying above 40, that's a positive. MACD-9's just slightly ticked lower, but I still think it's, there is the prospect of this recovery sort of trading above the sort of 144-hour moving average, which is a positive. So the prospect of a recovery is still there, but it's just not quite sort of confirmed yet. Obviously, there's the big caveat of this downtrend, this big long-term downtrend in here, but I still think that the pickup in the last few days has been relatively positive. But at the moment, you'd still say that there is still that big spectre of the big downtrend intact. And falling away yesterday wasn't great, so I think you need to see a bit of traction to the upside today to really sort of suggest that the recovery could still be on. But for now, we're pretty much in the balance, basically trading flat on the day. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.